We're at the car store in Fruitport at 301 North 3rd Avenue. And today we are looking at this beautiful bow tie. That's what I call it, Chevy bow tie. Absolute beautiful 2013 Chevy Silverado crew cab. Absolutely looking like she just rolled off the factory showroom floor. Looks beautiful in that jet black with the nice 18-inch 5-bar chrome wheels. Whoo-wee! Just looks good with that jet black with the chrome handles and the chrome mirrors. Nice chrome running boards. 18-inch chrome wheels. Got a real nice, those tires are practically brand new. Nice all-season tire right there. This truck is like brand new. Looks good in that jet black. Looks like a mirror. Got the nice 6-inch oval running boards. The car store bringing you what you want. Quality all the way around. Interior's like brand new. No stains. Got the nice upgraded rubber mats. Carpet's like brand new. Only 96,000 miles. Got all your cruise control, your steering wheel controls, your dome override. Got the nice stereo with the auxiliary port. Got the tow haul package. Got the OnStar mirror. This one comes equipped with the nice manual 4-wheel drive. A lot of people like that, you know. Sometimes the electronic turn dials, they can go bad, you know, the switches and the encoder motors and all that stuff. You know, you can't go wrong with a good old manual 4-wheel drive. Absolute beautiful truck right here. 2013 model. Chevy Silverado. Absolutely in like new condition. This is the quality that the car store is bringing you. We service what we sell. We warranty what we sell, which also means we stand behind what we sell. That's just what we do. Absolute beautiful truck right here. There's no getting around it. This is just a beautiful truck. It's a 2013. It's got practically brand new rubber. It's been fully serviced, inspected. It's ready to go. It's got what you want. It's an absolute beautiful truck. There's absolutely no getting around it. Buy with confidence here. Don't miss out on this truck. It's a nice truck. Nice trucks don't stick around long. Got to get down to the car store in Fruitport, 301 North 3rd Avenue. Talk to you soon.